This is my perfect bun. Isn't it perfect? Every hair laid. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Zena, and in today's video, I finally am showing you how I create my perfect bun. There are times where I wear this hairstyle and people literally ask me, how did you get it to look so perfect? So take a look. Make sure you watch it all the way to the end, because at the very end, I throw in a really big secret that I don't think anyone knows. And it makes the difference. So if you're interested in hearing some of those tips, then make sure you just keep watching this video. In order to do this, I'm starting off on blow-dried hair. This is just what it's looking like for right now. You want to make sure you have 2 scrunchies, one of these. I got this from H&M. I believe they also have these on Amazon, and I can link it for you guys down below. You can also get these scrunchies from Amazon. I'll also link that down below. You want to make sure you have some edge control, and I also use a wet gel. So something that's wet, something that's more loose, not as thick as like an edge control or like a jam or something. I also have a wide tooth comb. You're also gonna need a brush, whatever you use to lay your edges with, and also some hair clips, which I don't have them with me, so I need to go get those. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna take these earrings off for now. I'll put them back on at the end. So I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and I'm gonna start combing my hair up. I want my bun to be a little bit high. You wanna definitely make sure you're combing through your roots, really getting those roots laid down. Combing it through all the way is also really good, because that's also going to make the actual bun look super perfect. I'm going to comb it through. I don't know if you guys can notice how much my hair grew after I did that egg and avocado hair mask. Go check it out. I'm going to link that for you guys. Now that the hair is basically all combed up, we are going to go in with our wet gel first. We're just going to take some of this and put it around the edges. You don't want to put too much, because then it's just going to make it curly, and I have like wavy hair, so my hair will just wave up, but I kind of want it to just be straight. So I'm just going to put just enough to give it a little bit of shine and moisture, going all around the perimeter of my whole head. I'm even going to do the back. You want to also make sure you get like behind the ears. That's like a part where a lot of us forget about when we're doing our own hair. We're going to brush it up and put in our scrunchie. So the goal here is to get these hairs super laid, super straight. I'm just gonna dab into the gel just a little bit more. Didn't need to do that at all. Really try to get the brush to go past where your hair is, your hands are. So it's really lay it all the way in and down. And this is why my arms are so defined. Now you want this part to be as tight as possible without being too tight. Alright, so once you're done, you're now just going to go in with your brush or your little edge brush and brush everything down here. But you can also just hit the back a little bit. You're gonna take this thing here, so you're gonna put all of your hair through that hole, all of your hair. Make sure it goes all the way through. And then you're gonna flatten it out a little bit. Try and find like the center. Because now you're gonna use your hair to cover it. And then sometimes I also like to ring my fingers through it just to really make sure those hairs are really straight. Now the second scrunchie that you have, you are gonna put that right over it. Okay, so once it's kind of like at the top, then you can just slide it over to really get it in there tight. Now here you're gonna tuck it in, like right here. And then all the hair that is your own, that's kind of sticking out, you're just gonna twist it in and tuck. Twist it and tuck. Okay, that looks good. All right, so we are not done. We have to now go in with our edge control. Obviously, you're gonna put this on your edges. I need to find my hair clips because that really makes the perfection also. So I'll be right back. Let me go get my hair clips. All right, so I like to use these hair clips, and I actually had black ones, which I'm not sure where they are, so for now I'm just going to use the silver ones. The black ones are really nice because you can't really see them while they're in your hair. But these ones, they'll show, but it's okay. Basically what I use those clips for is, so you see I have like a little bit of fuzzies coming up right here. Those are not welcome with this hairstyle. We want this to be as perfect as possible. So I'm going to continue laying my edges. Now when I was in the ballet, I had used some hairspray that one of the other cast members had, and it was amazing. If I had that hairspray, I would use it right now. It was so good. Alright, so to kind of combat these fuzzies, brushing it all up. And right here, kind of where my temple is, this here is where I like to clip as close to the bun as possible. If I can even get it underneath that, that'd be great. Usually I have literally no fuzzies, but I have a little bit of fuzzies right now. That's okay. It looks pretty nice, but it doesn't look perfect. So my trick that makes it look perfect, which I learned this, I don't know, I just came up with it myself actually. So what I'm gonna do is get a hairnet. Hairnet, you wanna get a hairnet that's about the same color as your own hair. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put this on the bun only. So I'm gonna loop it on, take it, twist it, take this, twist it again. I put it on usually about 3 times. And then for the rest of it, I twist it in and tuck. And that's essentially how I do my perfect bun. It looks perfect. You guys would never be able to tell. If I didn't tell you that I had a hairnet on my head, you would not know that there was a hairnet on top of this, because no one knows. No one ever knows. And all they know is that it looks perfect. That's my secret to getting the perfect bun, you guys, and I love this. If you want, you can also get creative with your edges and do more than just one swoop on the side. I was never really good at that, but you know, trying to do like 2 swoops maybe. Apparently, I heard that when you just use your hands to lay it, it lays better instead of using the brush all the time. So let's try that. But you guys, this is my perfect bun. Isn't it perfect? Every hair laid. It's not every hair laid right now, but usually it is. I don't know what's going on. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Definitely subscribe to this channel if you're curious about different ways to do and style your natural hair. Also how to take care of it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.